Hi, my name is Gareth Williams. I'm the founder and chief exec of YellowDog. This is Simon Ponsford, our CTO. We're building a world where people can do more, create more, innovate more, unleashed from their limited computing power. So last March, we had the pleasure to launch YellowDog for Financial Services here at Finovate. And what a year it's been since then. Our award-winning technology has been deployed by financial service institutions all over the world. One of those, a leading US credit bureau, has been using our technology to predict how long some of their core processes take to run. Now, to give you the sense of scale of this, they run 20,000 processes every single week. Every day, they're running data and processing data from 360 million consumers. Now, this prediction that we're now adding, it enables them to do more with their existing infrastructure. They can now run more processes without investing in any new hardware. This, in turn, is enabling them to generate tens of millions of dollars in additional revenue every year. Another customer, this one in London, has deployed us to run their asset management platform. So after a very short integration that took less than 2 hours, Fulcrum Asset Management now run their asset management platform in multiple public clouds simultaneously. This enables them to bring up thousands of virtual machines to accelerate the processing of their back testing. And this is without any constraints now on any single provider or a single data center. It's also helping them meet the stringent business continuity requirements that they have from their pension fund clients. And we're doing all this by giving them access to our market-leading, intelligent, predictive scheduling and orchestration platform, which, out of the box, has connectors to the leading public cloud providers. Simon, should we show them what we're talking about?
Certainly. So this here is the executive dashboard. Here I can see how well YellowDog is helping me meet deadlines and keep to my SLAs. I can see the utilization levels of both my on-premise and cloud servers, and I can also see the number of jobs that have been run entirely without intervention. All of this information is available through a standardized API, which can be integrated with your existing dashboards. Looking at this particular YellowDog dashboard, our 4 prediction algorithms have actually shown we've got an issue with a job here. So if I click, we can go in and we can have a look. So what we can see here is this is my general configuration page. I can start jobs, I can stop them, but I can also see here I've got a job that isn't going to finish on time. And this is down to the machine learning rules that are actually working out the job completion time. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to intervene. You'll see at the moment that all of our compute is based on on-premise resource. But before I do that, I'll hand back to Gareth.
So YellowDog is able to intelligently choose the best source of compute for your processing jobs. That best source of compute could be the best price, the best price-performance mix, the compute that has the lowest latency, the compute that kind of conforms to your data sovereignty or compliance policies. Our multi-cloud capability enables you to securely send your data and your processes to the cloud providers you select. But best of all, our intelligent prediction algorithms ensure that jobs always run on time and on budget. This means that with YellowDog, you no longer have to worry about getting the results to your users, stakeholders, or customers. YellowDog takes care of it all. And best of all, we're also able to optimize any cloud spend that you make. So Simon, let's reconfigure this job.
Certainly. So bursting is defined by business rules. So only jobs that you want to burst to the public cloud will do so. Other parameters that you're able to set on your business rules relate to performance, operating systems, and also the location of data centers. Just to speed up this job, I'm going to allocate 15 nodes within Microsoft Azure Data Center. And you'll see immediately that the prediction time for completion of the job has now come down. YellowDog integrates with and complements existing schedulers, resource managers, and grid computing engines. This allows them to extend from on-premise to public or private clouds. We're often being told that what we do is impossible. How can we tell how long a process is going to take? It's too difficult to run single processes across multiple cloud providers simultaneously. And it's impossible to guarantee job delivery time.
So our market-leading prediction capability uses advanced machine learning. So these machine learning algorithms typically take around 2 weeks to train. Once that is done, YellowDog is then able to predict the processing time and therefore cost of these jobs. Our customers tell us that that is transformational. Now, as well as the prediction, the YellowDog enables you to select from one of multiple public and private cloud providers. One single, simple integration gives you access to 7 of the leading providers. It really is that straightforward. So Simon, should we show them how we can configure some of the business rules?
Certainly. So here you can see is where we configure our business rules around the types of nodes we're going to use and also the locations. We can also set up claim strategies as well in terms of weighing up the cost of nodes, such as spot instances, against performance. And also our release strategy as to what we do with nodes when they've completed working on their segment. Today's world of multi-cloud, we know that some providers are better than others, whether that's for raw compute power, database performance, or machine learning. With YellowDog, the best provider can be configured within the rule set so that your number one choice can be used. But if that number one choice can't meet your deadline, or if it goes offline, YellowDog ensures that you still meet your deadline with sufficient resources being available.
Thanks, Simon. So you can see that YellowDog is the most sophisticated, intelligent, predictive scheduling and orchestration platform on the planet. And our customers are using this every day to accelerate their complex compute processes without having to spend any more on additional hardware. So, if you would like your people to do more, to create more, to innovate more, to be unleashed from limited computing power, then come and find us afterwards and book a slot. All we'll need is a short 2-hour session to scope out a proof of value project that could end up making you millions. Thank you very much.